Do you know, regular oil changes can improve your engine's performance? Engine's life to a great extent depends on the selection of a right quality engine oil and the periodic changing of the engine oil. Hi, my name is Kiran and today I'm going to tell you about how you can check your engine oil level in your Access 125. Firstly, you need to make sure that your scooter is on center stand. Now, start the engine and run it on the idle speed for 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, stop the engine and let it cool for 3 minutes. Once the engine is cooled down, release the center stand and hold the scooter straight vertically and inspect the engine oil with the engine oil dipstick. Remember, not to screw the oil filler cap while checking the engine oil level. While checking the engine oil, make sure that the level of oil should be in between L, low, and F, full line. If the oil is at low level, then it is advised to top up. You need the following for top up: Suzuki recommended X-Star SAE 10W30 engine oil, a funnel, a beaker, and a clean cloth. Open the engine oil filler cap. Place the funnel and gently pour the engine oil till the level reaches full mark in dipstick. If the oil is above the F, which is the upper level, drain some amount of oil to adjust the level. Note, wipe up any spilled oil completely. Always make sure that engine oil level is not checked in engine cold condition. Never ever fill oil above full level. See? That's simple. Now you know how to check the engine oil on your own.